is another word which we used to listen back in our college days. That's open door culture. And honestly, when I became a part of Geeks for Geeks, it's been a good number of years now, I actually experienced it. And which is till date one of the best thing which I would mention, even being an employee of Geeks for Geeks. So what's your opinion about open door culture? Is it just a word or does it have something to carry to?
It definitely has a lot to carry to. And I think we should evolve with age.
Okay.
Now, today's generation, you have, 21 year, 22 years old, getting out of colleges, fresh, want to do something in life, full of energy, want to change the world, etc. Now, with those people, you cannot function in a way that used to happen 10 years, 20 years back, that people used to call sir, boss ko sir bolte the. That is something that many companies are doing away with. And that's such a powerful thing to do, such a small but such a powerful thing to do, that, you can call your CEO by name, or you can call your boss, skip manager, anybody by name, right? That to me is probably a very good example of an open door culture. A very good example for another open door culture is how accessible is the leadership to me.
Absolutely.
Can I walk in to discuss any of my ideas with the leadership? Now that also places an ownership on the employee. Now when I say walk-in idea, aisa nahi hai ki, you'll go and just speak anything. You have to have that structure, etc. But overall, in the culture of things, in the scheme of things, does my company empower me?
Correct.
That I can, that my leadership is accessible to me without, getting intimidated, or without the fear of getting judged, that I might come across as dumb. That if I go to somebody so senior and speak this, what is it that they will think of me? No. The best of the ideas come from the people who are actually implementing it on the ground. And if you don't have that connect, as you grow up the hierarchy, it becomes increasingly difficult with your scale and scope of responsibility to get connected to the ground. And in no time, as companies scale, you will realize that when there are newer set of people who join, there are different personalities, there are different dynamics, politics, teams will get divided.
Correct.
Open door culture, that's the real test of open door culture. That, if you have that transparency is a very key word here. How are you communicating information? Is there any information asymmetry that, I have this access to information makes me more powerful in this ecosystem? How is it that companies navigate all of this? And today's generation will not work on a sir ma'am culture. They will not refrain from, putting their point of view. They are highly confident, highly informed. They are spoiled with options, I would say, which did not used to be the case probably even 5 years down the line. Things have changed drastically with the Instagram, with your LinkedIn and everything. The information is too much, okay, and hence, and information is powerful, okay. So today you cannot expect, especially for this population who are into tech and, just fresh out of college, that they will just respect you for your position. They will not probably respect you for your position. They will respect you for the knowledge and the skill that you bring. And that is increasingly important to hone those skills.
Great.